last one we're going to learn is, what is your name? Your name, what? Your, just have a closed 5 with your dominant hand and push toward that person. Your name, make 2 U's. Dominant hand is on top and tap twice. Name, 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 and then what? You're going to have your hands in 5s, palms facing up, and then just shake a couple of times. What? And then have a questioning look on your face. Your name, what? What is your name? Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun to improve communication with your autistic child or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.